What's that?
I'm like, what the heck?
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Did you just say hi, everybody, to Nicholas?
Yeah.
Oh, if I look sweaty and oily, it's because I am.
Now, rules.
I thought I put this on silent. Why is this? Alright, we just got back home. I just got him from school. Say hi, Nicholas.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
So? What are you doing? So? Whoa. Just got a package in from Target. You want to open this up, Nicholas?
Yes.
Yes. Careful with those. So this is one...
It's too big.
Oh, what are you doing?
It's too big.
What's too big? The box?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is one my wife and I have been wanting for a while. They started hitting Target stores a few weeks ago. We
I want a map.
we weren't able to get any.
I don't want
We didn't try too hard, but the couple places we tried finding through Brickseek when we got there, they didn't actually have them. But and then they went online unexpectedly, and when Target releases their exclusives online, it's like 2 a.m. our time. I'm sleeping at that time. But I was able to find it, rotate back in stock, and look at this. They shipped it individually, box in a box. So do not cut.
Hey, everybody, boo.
But we're gonna cut this.
Hey, boo boo.
Banana boo boo.
Better on the top.
Nicholas, what did you do at school today?
Beside the better do it.
You play outside. You can play with two toys.
Yeah.
Who is that? Quail boy? No, Quail man and Quail dog, right?
No, kids are mad.
That's Quail man. That's Quail dog.
No, it's God.
But look what we have here, Nicholas. Wow. Target's really stepped up their packaging game. You got thick bubble wrap around the pop itself. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Target exclusive Iron Spider from Avengers Infinity War.
I want to open pie now.
With his extra spider legs. Look at it, he's got spider arms and legs.
I want to open that.
Okay, let's open this up.
I want to take it.
So rumored numbers for this production are 28,000, which is a lot. So this one should play out where it shouldn't be too hard to get. And if the fact that there's so many, if you're stuck finding it on secondary, the price shouldn't be too bad. Hold on, look it. So this is kind of uncommon for a pop. There's a plastic protection seal on here. I gotta cut this, Nicholas.
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles?
That's a shadow.
Donatello? Yeah. You're talking about my coaster. Man, this is hard to open. Anyways, I think, there we go. So check this guy out. Woo! That is amazing. Yeah? So while Nicholas checks that out, I just wanted to show a quick comparison with this Iron Spider and the basic wave iron. Oh, his head turned. The basic wave Iron Spider. What's going on? So let me show them really fast. So they're the arm poses and head sculpt are exactly the same. The main difference is just these legs glued onto the back of him. But another cool note is the shades of blue between the two. So when this first wave came out, the blue on Spider-Man's suit is a lighter color. I think in the second release of this common one, they darkened it to make it more screen accurate, and that reflects to here, hold this one. That reflects more into this one. So this one has the more screen accurate colors, and the little shiny gold paint on his suit stick out a lot more. A little more gold paint on his arm to be a little bit more screen accurate, so that looks cool. This looks amazing. So I want to compare this to one more thing we got in a few weeks ago. I know not a lot of pop collectors are super into Dorbz, but My wife and I really like them a lot, and the Funko shop had a Iron Spider exclusive with the same legs. Check that out. So it's like a mini version of this one. Here, let me hold it side by side. Check it out. What it's all about. What do you think of them, Nicholas?
That's not a bobblehead.
Yeah, the Dorbz, they don't have bobbleheads. They don't need to do a licensing loophole for that.
This is a bobblehead.
Yeah, those are bobbleheads. So which one do you like the most of the three of them, Nicholas?
I want this one, but this one and this one.
But which one's your favorite?
A purple one.
The purple, this darker one with the legs?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my favorite too. He's just amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna make a cool little mini slow motion shot of this, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace!
No, I want to pet the old.